Top 5 scariest tornado videos. So curious when it comes to tornadoes. I said in a video before it's unheard of in the UK, but a lot of you guys commented saying that, yeah, we do get tornadoes in the UK. They're not as big and they're not as scary as the ones you get in America, but it is interesting to find out about tornadoes. I've been so interested in the videos we've been doing. Just before we jump into it, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit the subscribe button. It massively helps out the channel we're growing. We're going to just jump in and press play. Right, number 5.
Insight. The things I will do for insight.
Illinois.
This is a tornado, and I cannot tell which way it is going, so I don't know how to get away from it. But it looks like it's coming right towards me.
Wow. It don't look like it's moving.
Yeah, I'd say it's gonna come right over me.
No.
Let's see if I can back up here a little bit and get under the bridge.
So this don't look like it's moving, but this guy, I don't know. I think I'll be driving forward, trying to get as far away as I could.
Yeah, it's coming right over me. Oh, crap.
Wow.
I have honestly never been in a tornado before.
Wow. I don't even know what to say.
Totally crazy. It's coming right. It is coming right.
You're not safe in a car though, are you?
It's a little bit scary. And I don't really know what to do except, I guess, sit here. Maybe duck down. Oh my gosh.
Wait, so can tornadoes pick up cars? I would definitely think that a tornado can pick up a car. If I was sitting in a car, I would not feel safe.
That's crazy. Crazy.
And that is scary.
Ridiculous.
Is he gonna hit him?
Look, oh, that is scary. The truck is, oh my gosh.
He don't sound as scared as I would be.
Oh no. Yeah. That is completely crazy.
Oh wow.
The truck
So it's
feels
just-
like it's about to lift
just
up
missed
off the
him.
ground. Not lying. Oh my gosh. Woo! Look at that. I don't know.
This
I'm
guy
not
got
getting out to
lucky.
look. I'll look and see if there's any truck damage later. It actually bent the mirror backwards. Both mirrors backwards.
Listen to the wind.
Oh, here it is. Can't tell if it's coming back around or not.
So wait, just before we start 4, can tornadoes turn very quickly? I feel like I see it before, where a tornado can turn quite quickly. So even though it dodged him, it could have moved around and come back again or something. Even the bridge that he was underneath, that didn't look like it was very good shelter. I feel like, yeah, I feel like that guy got very lucky. Alabama. It's EF4. Okay. Oh, wait, is that it?
I'm moving, dude.
It's like the whole sky, isn't it? Oh, wow. Wow, the noise. All you can see is fins flying around everywhere in it. It looks like there's more than one tornado. They look like there was little tornado parts that are inside the big tornadoes. Ah, that just looks crazy. Damn. Look at the trees as well. Man, that was crazy. That was definitely crazy. Oklahoma. Oh, this is an EF5. I don't totally understand what the difference is between an EF4 and an EF5. Is it the size or is it like the power of the tornado? Let me know in the comments. Yeah, like I don't know those little fine parts. Is it the power of the tornado? I'm not too sure. So yeah, definitely let me know in the comments. Wow. You can hear the rain. That is rain noises, yeah? Wow, what? Why was there blue lights at the bottom? Wait, let me go back. Let me go back. I want to see that again. What is that? That's not lightning. Oh, wait. Is that the tornado hitting power cables or something? Because, yeah, like, you don't get lightning down there. Lightning would be up there. But it looked, yeah. It looks crazy. Is this guy outside? No way you're standing outside in this. Is he? Is he on like the front of his house or something? I'm not sure. Do you know what, right? I would love to see a tornado, but I wouldn't love to see a tornado, if that makes sense. I mean, the idea of seeing one, just to see one in person, must be a sight you'll never forget. But at the same time, they're scary. They are scary. I know you got people that are storm chasers, and I kind of feel like a storm chaser going after a tornado. It's like going to a theme park and getting on a roller coaster and saying, don't worry about the seatbelt, I'll just hold on. You know, it just seems like it is just crazy. That tree's gonna fall over. Wow. I really can't work out. Is this guy standing outside? If he is. But this tornado is so big, you can't get it in one frame, can you? It's just massive. Man. Right, okay, we're at number two. Let's see where we're going with number 2. Alabama again. Okay. An EF5.
Oh shit!
Wow. That whole thing is the tornado. That whole thing. Oh wow. So it's just taking up the whole sky. So this is what I want to know, if an EF5 and an EF4, are they based on size? because this is huge. This is taking up the whole screen. There's nothing, you can't see the size of this tornado. I don't know how these people are standing here filming these. I would be scared. That's some powerful lightning as well. Just trying to make sense of it. So wait, is the rain around the tornado? It sounds scary. You can hear the noises. It definitely sounds scary. I don't know if I'd still be filming. I think I'd be inside right now. I'll be hiding somewhere. Ah, this is just mental. That is rain, right? The noise is rain. Sounds like hailstones or something like that. It sounded heavy. Okay, number one. Ready for this. Illinois. Okay. An EF4. It don't look like it's moving. It's very dark though. That is an evil looking tornado. Evil. But it is getting closer, yeah? But it's quiet. That's more freaky, that it's a little bit quiet right now. But you can see it. That feels more scary. That is coming this way though, isn't it? It is. You can see the trees moving and everything now. Oh wow. Now it's getting loud. Now it's getting loud. Wow. Oh, it's just turning all dark. What? Wow. That's scary. That's insane. So all you can hear is those noises and you're in complete darkness. Huh? That's it. That's it. Wow. Wow. I am shocked about that one. It was so quiet coming up. And then just pure darkness and noise. Some really incredible footage. That last one though, that was so scary. It just the silence of it coming towards the house, and it didn't look like it was moving. It was just silent coming over, and then all of a sudden the noise, the darkness was just like boom. Wow. I'm actually shocked about that last video. Yeah, really interesting video. Thank you so much for checking out the video. I'd really appreciate it if you could hit the subscribe button. But for now, I'm going to catch you on the next one.